Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change frame rate of your timeline in Davinci Resolve 18. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So once you have your timeline here, so we have timeline 1 right now. So you want to change this perhaps into 30 frames per second. So this is the solution to do it. Go to the top left corner and find your file in Davinci Resolve. From file, all you have to do is actually go to do a new timeline or a shortcut of Command N. So we don't use our project settings, so we do format right here and we do a timeline frame rate. So 30 perhaps and create. So now we have our second timeline. Let's go back to our first timeline right here. And then all we have to do is just actually select all of our projects by Command C, and then we just paste it here in timeline 2. So just Command V, and there you go. You have changed your frame rate into 30 frames per second in just that quick. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.